Hey everyone, this is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Today we're here to talk about timing belts and the manufacturer's recommendations based on mileage. Depending on make, model, and year, you may have a timing chain or timing belt. So how do you know when to replace the timing belt? Your owner's manual is a good resource and will indicate the mileage interval recommended for your specific vehicle, make, and model. Depending on the manufacturer of the vehicle, mileage ranges for recommended timing belt replacement is anywhere from 60,000 miles to 100,000 miles and or 6 to 10 years old. Our experienced service advisors and ASE certified technicians at Horne Auto Center can advise you as to when your car should have the timing belt replacement done. They will also be able to tell if your engine has a timing chain or timing belt. Timing chains can stretch in time but have a longer lifespan than a rubber timing belt, which can dry and crack and possibly snap after years of use. Nevertheless, damage can happen to your vehicle engine if a belt or chain breaks while operating, costing many thousands of dollars in repair. Many automotive repair centers will just replace the timing belt. Getting to the timing belt and replacing it is a very labor-intensive process. During a timing belt replacement, the area deep in the engine where the water pump is located is easily accessible. Remember that the water pump has also been operating for the same mileage and time as the timing belt. At Horne Auto Center, we don't just recommend replacing the timing belt. We recommend the complete timing belt service that saves the customer time and money in the long run. Our recommendation is to replace the water pump at the same time as a timing belt. Often a water pump's lifespan is up midway between timing belt replacements. If it is not replaced at the same time as the timing belt service, you will pay an extensive labor charge once again to get back into the same part of the engine. Saving the labor costs and preventing a pump replacement later on that will necessitate another belt replacement is the best option. Horne Auto Center also recommends changing the tensioners, idler pulleys, and drive belts when replacing the timing belt. The idler pulleys and camshaft crankshaft seals will also be checked and replaced if necessary. All these components are considered wear items and are usually very worn by the time a timing belt replacement is needed. These additional items help avoid subsequent failure and will be less expensive than doing the services individually. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Trevor here at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. Be sure if you have any questions, you get in touch with our service advisors at horneauto.com.